everyone. So I got the EXO-M set for Nature Republic lip balms that EXO is endorsing. This is how the box looks like. This is like about $60 in like DVD Heaven and other pages, but I bought it in eBay at like $50. And as you can see, I am missing one. This is Lace lip balm, and I sold it because I have an extra one, but the original set comes with a lay in rose lip balm, but this is lay in peach. I ordered this before ordering the whole set, and with a random member, and I got lay. As you can see here, he is, and this is already used because I got it a while ago, and I will use this to show you how this looks like when you apply it, because as you can see, this looks like transparent in here, but once you apply it, it becomes like hot pink. It's not really white, I mean it's not transparent. See, that's like the color that will have once you apply it in your lips, and it's a really nice hot pink shade. I really like it. So yeah, that's how it will look. And now I'll show you the other members. That's the color. So I also got the other rose lip balm, is for Chris in this set. There he is, so handsome. This is the back for all the lip balms, something written in Korean. And then we have 2 peach and 2 honey lemon, besides the 2 rose lip balms. So as one of the peach, I got Shumin, and the other one, I think it's Luhan. Yes, it's Luhan. So cute. I really like these lip balms. I've been using it for like 2 weeks now. The other one, oh, that one. But I really like it. It really moisturizes your lips, and the pink shade is really cute. Tao, this is a honey lemon. And then we have Shen, I think. Yes, the last one, Shen, with the signature and his picture. And besides the 6 lip balms, this also comes with 6 photo cards. I'm sorry I don't have lay, but because I sold it, as I told you, but I have the other 5 members. So here is Shumin. All the backs, by the way, are the same, just like this. So Shumin, Luhan, Chris, so cute, Shen, and Tao. So this was it. I hope you like it, and I really recommend you to buy one of those lip balms because those are really good. I really like it. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.